Right now, we're inside the 2018 Eclipse Cross Diamond Edition. It'll have a lot of the same similarities you'll have in the GT, and a few things I want to showcase right down here is your front collision mitigation, your lane departure warning, and of course that's for your traction control, and this button right here, I'm going to close the door real quick, but this is actually going to showcase our pop-up display. One moment here. Now when I press the button, display pops up right directly in front of the driver. And what this does show, it will show a lot of the safety features. It will show you your adaptive cruise control, your speed, and so on and so forth. And you can adjust, depending on your height, you can actually adjust. There's 16 adjustments for the height of the visibility and also the brightness. So if you're doing a long drive at night, you don't want that glaring bright light in front of your face, no worries, you can dim it right down. Again, extremely well-equipped vehicle. 150 of these were produced for Canada. I have 3 on my lot. Give me a call today, 403-276-4878, and come down for test drive the 2018 Eclipse Cross.